These 3 tricks will revolutionize your social life. Number 3 is a game changer. 1. Yeah, I'm a professional. Imagine yourself as a computer programmer and you're in a conversation with a new guy. Then he starts talking about computer. You interrupt him and say, "Oh, I know what are you talking about. I'm a computer programmer." That kills the conversation and makes a bad impression on him. Look at this. He says, "Yeah, I'm interested in programming. This morning I was reading an article about Python. You know, Python is a programming language, which the reason I'm talking now is because of feeling this voice." Then you reply, "Have you ever worked with Pygame library in Python?" I just followed 2 rules. Number 1. When he's talking about your interests, just wait till he ends his sentence. Number 2. Don't say directly that you're a programmer. Ask something professional about topic to show him that you know. Tip number 2. You is in priority. Start your sentence with you, not me. If you want to suggest a book to a new guy you just met and you want to make a good impression on him, don't say, "I think it's a good book about your situation." Instead say, "You will love this book." Tip number 3. Thanks is not enough. Imagine you're asking someone at school, "Where can I find this book?" Then he replies and helps you. You say thanks and go on your way. That's wrong. For an amazing impression, just thank people with reasons. Saying thanks is a cliche. Instead say, "Thanks for your attention. Thanks for the ride. Thanks for your kindness." YouTube algorithm is not supporting my videos because they're short. I guess this is the last time we see each other.